were nervous but hopeful, knowing that the outcome of the case would have a profound impact on the lives of LGBTQ+ individuals in India. The respondents, on the other hand, were confident that the judges would uphold the law and reject the petitioners' arguments. In the end, the judges delivered a verdict that exceeded the expectations of the petitioners and surprised the respondents. The verdict was a resounding victory for the LGBTQ+ community, and it paved the way for greater recognition and acceptance of LGBTQ+ rights in India. The verdict was delivered on September 6, 2018, and it sparked widespread celebrations and jubilation across India. The petitioners were overjoyed, knowing that their efforts had paid off and that the law had been repealed. The LGBTQ+ community was ecstatic, knowing that they had finally achieved the recognition and acceptance they had been fighting for. The verdict was widely hailed as a milestone in the fight for human rights and dignity, and it marked a major turning point in the history of LGBTQ+ rights in India. The lead judge, Justice Deepak Misra, delivered a powerful and moving judgment that highlighted the importance of equality, dignity, and freedom of expression. The judgment was a masterclass in jurisprudence, and it demonstrated a deep understanding of the issues at stake. The judge noted that Section 377 was a relic of a bygone era, and that it had no place in modern India. The judge also noted that the law had been used to justify a range of human rights abuses, and that its repeal was necessary to promote equality and justice. The judgment was widely praised by legal experts and activists, who hailed it as a landmark decision that would have far-reaching consequences for LGBTQ+ rights in India. The judgment was also widely covered in the media, with many newspapers and news channels carrying detailed analyses and commentaries on the verdict. The verdict sparked a national conversation about LGBTQ+ rights and equality, with many Indians taking to social media to express their support and solidarity with the community. As the news of the verdict spread, it sparked widespread celebrations and jubilation across India. The LGBTQ+ community was ecstatic, knowing that they had finally achieved the recognition and acceptance they had been fighting for. The verdict was widely hailed as a milestone in the fight for human rights and dignity, and it marked a major turning point in the history of LGBTQ+ rights in India. The celebrations were not limited to the LGBTQ+ community, with many Indians from all walks of life joining in to express their support and solidarity. The challenges and conflicts faced by Navtej Singh Johar and the LGBTQ+ community were significant, with many individuals and groups opposing the repeal of Section 377. The opposition was fierce and vocal, with many conservatives and traditionalists arguing that the law was necessary to protect public morality and decency. Despite this opposition,